1, 2, 3, and money instantly appears. And all we have to do is flip them over, and it looks like both of the cards have somehow turned blue. Should be on the queen, right?
I should be. It was in the middle. I'm glad I didn't bet you money on that.
Take this hole, I grab it, I kind of heat up the paper a little bit, and I can slide the hole down the card, just like that.
How's your mind blown?
That's amazing.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I am showing you 5 new magic tricks you need to see. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Jam City. Their new game, Harry Potter and the Hogwarts Mystery, is out now. Be sure to download it now using my link in the description below. Tons of magic in the game, and don't forget we have our magic giveaway. You can win some free magic tricks. All the information is in the description of this video. 2 ordinary playing cards here. You can see this is a red back card. Also fold this one up. You can see it has a red back as well. The folded card goes right on top of the other playing card, and all we have to do is flip them over, and it looks like both of the cards have somehow turned blue. But look, flip it again, and it's changed back to red. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. All you need to do this card trick is a double-sided card. That is a card that has 2 different card designs on the back. You have a red design on this side and a blue design of the back on the other side. We have these available in our shop if you want to get one. And then you're going to create this right here. You're going to cut out the corners from a blue card and glue them onto a red card just like this. Now you can show the card from the front, but when you go to fold it up, it will look like a red card from this side, but if you flip it over, it looks like a blue card from this side. Combine that with the double-sided card, put the folded card on top, flip them over, and it looks like your card just changes in an instant. The magic clipped card tricks. I have a paper clip. Check that out, inspect it, make sure it's normal. It's not a trick paper clip or anything like that, right? Verify.
Looks legit. That's
okay.
paper clip.
I also have this little card right here. So you can see there's a queen amongst a bunch of black cards. The ace of spades, the 2 of spades, the 3 of spades, and the 4 of spades. All you have to do is put the paper clip on the queen. You see where the queen is, right?
See where the queen is.
So if I just flip the cards over, where would you put it?
It was in the middle,
right,
with black cards all around.
Yeah,
so
right
this
there, right?
middle card.
Bang. Okay, so watch. All we do is flip it over and you should be on the queen, right?
I should be. It was in the middle.
How's it on the floor then?
I'm glad I didn't bet you money on that one.
So how is it possible that it looks like the queen is paper clipped here, but on this side it's the 4? It is all in the design of this piece of cardstock right here. This is the clipped card illusion. We have this available on our shop, EvanEraTV.com. It is super easy to do. It's pretty much self-working. All you do is show the audience this side of the card and have them keep track of the queen. When you flip it over, they will put the clip right here every time because it appears as though this is the center card. What they don't realize is the design of the card makes it such that the backs do not line up with the fronts. So no matter what, they will clip the wrong card every single time. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a free clipped card.
Sasha, I have an empty envelope here. You can see there's nothing inside it. Yeah, empty?
Yep, that's empty.
So check this out. If I just hold the envelope like this, watch what happens on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and money instantly appears inside.
Do I get to keep this?
It's yours. Congratulations.
That's amazing.
Here is the secret to the magic appearing money envelope. The envelope does all the work on this one, so all you have to do is hold it right here at the top, and when you loosen your grip, the money will instantly appear inside. There is a secret hidden panel inside the envelope that is spring-loaded, so when you slide it up, the bills hide behind the secret panel. You can see as I slide it into place like this, it will hide the bills right behind it. All I have to do is pinch it at the top here. It looks like the envelope is completely empty. And then all I have to do is loosen my grip with my thumb and forefinger, and it looks like the bills instantly appear inside. Stay tuned to win your own magic money envelope in the giveaway at the end of the episode.
I have a playing card with 4 holes punched in it. You can see in each one of the corners there is a hole punched in the playing card. Now watch, I'm going to grab the first hole right here, and I'm actually going to move it down the card just like that. You can see the hole moves down the card. Now, if you didn't see that, I'll actually do it one more time. Now watch. Take this hole, I grab it, I kind of heat up the paper a little bit, and I can slide the hole down the card just like that. Now watch, one more time. We make all the holes join together in this corner.
Okay, Sasha, I just want you to think of any name in the world. Don't say it out loud, don't tell me. Just think of it in your mind. And I'm gonna make a prediction here about what I think you're gonna say. All right, so I got my prediction here.
Okay.
I'm gonna ball this up and set it there, okay? So just so that we can keep track, just go ahead and tell me what was the name that you thought of.
Evan.
My name?
I thought of your name.
All right, so Evan, all right. Now, I want you to think of any number in the world, but don't say it out loud. Just keep that number locked in your mind, okay? And I'm gonna make a prediction about what I think you are thinking. Okay? All right. So we can keep track. What was the number you were thinking of?
7.
7. Okay. Cool. So Evan, 7. Now, the last one here, I'm gonna have you just think of up or down. Don't say it out loud. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Keep it locked in your mind. Don't say it out loud. Got my last prediction here. Now, were you thinking up or down? Which one?
Down.
You were thinking down?
Thinking down.
All right, so we've got Evan, 7, and down. That's what you were thinking.
That's what I picked.
Evan, 7, and down. All right, this is crazy. So, you want to open a couple of these? You go and open them with me. First, Evan. 7 and
No way. No.
down. Isn't that crazy?
How did you know what I was gonna pick?
It's magic.
You got me. I have no idea how you did that.
How's your mind blown?
That's amazing.
Super easy trick here. All you need are some post-it notes and a pen. You can do this trick anytime, anywhere, as long as you have these two things and this knowledge. So here's how it works. When you first make your prediction, what you're doing is actually drawing an arrow. Now the beauty of this arrow is it can be up or it can be down. Regardless of what they say, you're gonna get this one right. So when you say you're making the prediction for the name that they're thinking of, you're actually drawing the arrow and you're gonna crumple that up so they can't see it. You're then gonna set this aside and say, this is my first prediction. You then ask them to name the person's name that they're thinking of out loud so that you can keep track. You write the name that they're thinking of on your post-it note. Let's say in this case, the name is Ava, my daughter. So A-V-A. Now that they've said that name, we know what we're gonna write next. When we tell them to think of a number, we're actually writing the name that they just told us. And then we crumple this up and they think this is our number prediction. It's important that we crumple the ball up about the same size as the other ball of paper so that they get mixed up a little bit. We ask them to name out loud the number that they were thinking of, whatever they say. Let's say in this case they say 25. We're then going to write 25 on our last prediction. So you're just a step ahead of the audience here. The last one, which you're going to ask them to think of up or down, you're actually writing 25, the number they just told you. You take that one, crumple it up so they can't see it, make sure it's the same size as the other two balls of paper. Now you're going to mix these up a little bit, ask them to think up or down, which one were they thinking of. Regardless of what they say, most people do say up. You then have your 3 predictions here, and you can then let them unwrap these balls of paper, and you will have gotten every single prediction right. So no matter what they say, up or down, you just hold the arrow up, or you hold it down when you open that one up. Open the next one up, you get Ava, and then you've also got the number that they thought of, 25. It seems absolutely impossible to people. How could you have known what they were going to think of? Super easy magic trick that you can do at home. Try it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks once again to my friends at Jam City and their new game, Harry Potter and the Hogwarts Mystery. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one of these magic tricks was your favorite. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.